Hello and welcome to What's Brewing with the Bowling Green Chamber of Commerce, where, like a good cup of coffee, these October events can help you to network, grow your business, and give you valuable business information. Our business briefing and brew this time will be at Work Leads to Independence. Come and find out about what this community gem is doing and enjoy some networking and refreshments. Our National Women's Small Business Month kicks off in October, so be sure to engage with us on Facebook to recognize important individuals in our community. Freddie and Frida can be at your Business After Hours event. Every time that you attend a chamber event, make sure that you enter to win that valuable after hours for your business. And don't forget that the Bowling Green Holiday Parade will be coming in November. A great event that you never want to miss. Polar Express, Next Stop Bowling Green is the theme this year, so be sure to check out our website for details. And as always, look for the Monday reminders and our monthly calendar so that you can engage with your business community this week.